boosted.
Trying to get that high octane stuff.
He's happy. It's hard to put a smile on that guy's face. He's gonna smile. Big moves.
Yeah. Look at it.
The last toy that he had was
Now what a difference. What a fucking difference, man.
So what do you think?
Is Michael in trouble?
Yeah, that car's pretty damn quick. Holy smokes. I wasn't expecting that. That's a big difference. Shit.
There was smoke coming out the tire.
yeah, dude, you were smoking them at 40.
Dude, I know, it just doesn't hook up. It just wants to break it loose. Son of a bitch, what a difference. Thank you.
I don't think you're ready for 91 back in, are you?
No, I don't know, maybe not.
Did your face
still runs good.
when you went the first time? You're like, disappointed. The second time you went, you're like, oh fuck, I found the fast button.
What a
Second
difference. Yeah, there's a big difference.
What is it doing between the different modes?
Just turn the boost up.
Yeah.
And the first drove it.
100 degrees outside right now, and I'm just not want to push my luck too far, you know?
Do you have to have race gas to run the faster mode?
Yeah. That's
What'd you think, Garrett?
It's fast. We were.
So just right
Like
here,
knock
like
your
you
mold
punch it,
off?
breaks loose, you
Yeah,
let
we're
off and
doing
get back
90,
in
like,
it. Next
that
thing I know, we're doing like 80, 90, like just right now. It just, whoa, it's moving.
Good stuff, guys.
Wow.
I'll grab my impact. We'll plug your light back in there. And
Let's get you paid. Same plug. Camera back on. And the tune. Figure out how to do that tune or whatever.
Shit.
so right now, if you